Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. So in this video ay magsisolve na naman tayo ng isang practice exercise on graphing linear inequalities in one variable. No? So meron tayong inequality dito, 16 minus 3x is greater than or equal to 4 times quantity 5 minus 2x. Okay, so isolve na natin. So 16 minus 3x is greater than or equal to, i-distribute natin yung multiplication, no? 4 times 5 is 20, and then minus, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So minus 8x siya. And then we add 8x to both sides. We have 16 minus 3x is greater than 20 minus 8x, and then we add 8x to both sides para matanggal natin yung 8x sa kanan. So that becomes 16 plus 5x. Negative 3x plus 8x is 5x. Is greater than or equal to 20. Kasi yung negative 8x plus 8x is 0. And then we subtract 16 from both sides. So minus 16. This is minus 16. Ang matitira sa kaliwa ay 5x. And then yun nasa kanan ay 20 minus 16, which is 4. And then dividing both sides by 5, we have 5x divided by 5 is greater than or equal to 4 divided by 5. Which means that x is greater than or equal to 4/5. Okay, saan yung 4/5 banda? Graph natin. So, ang 4/5 ay between 0 and 1. Malapit siya sa 1, no? Parang 0.8. So, nandito siya banda. Sa part na yan. And since kasama siya, kasi may equal, yung ating circle ay merong shade. No? Tapos, isi-shade natin lahat ng mga numbers na greater than 4/5. So, yan yung, saan yung mga numbers na yun? Yun ay nasa kanan ng 4/5. So, shade natin yan. Okay. So, ayusin nyo na lang pag nag-exam kayo. So, this is 4/5. Of course, kung kayo ay gumagamit ng another notation, yung parang parentheses and square bracket. So, pag may equal, square bracket, di ba? Parang square bracket yung symbol niya. And then, we shade also. So, all the numbers greater than 4/5. So again, 4/5 yan, and the inequality includes 4/5. Okay, so that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa ating mixing video. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Pwede nyo i-share sa inyong mga friends and like our video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.